This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to Commodore News for Thursday, April 6th. I'm Nene Rogoy. In baseball, Maury thrashed Norcom 26-2. Graham Thompson drove in 8 runs and had a grand slam. The Commodore softball team also defeated Norcom 20-6. Lexi Diggs hit a 2-run home run. Yesterday, the boys and girls soccer teams traveled to Lake Taylor and both scored big wins. The boys cruised 7-1 as 7 Commodores scored goals. In the girls game, 8 Commodores scored in a 10-0 shutout victory. Now here's Xavier Praler in the control room with today's upcoming events.
Thanks, Manene. Today, 2 Commodore teams will be in action here at Maury. The baseball team takes on Granby here at Maury. Game time is 4 p.m. Meanwhile, the softball team battles Salem at 4 p.m. on the other side of the field. Tomorrow, the JV baseball team battles Norfolk Academy here at Maury. Game time is 4:30. Weather may disrupt the schedule. Go to MauryAthletics.org to check for cancellations. The sports calendar is clear through spring break. Back to you, Manene.
Thanks, Xavier. Now here's what's happening at MHS. You're up to date for Thursday, April 6th. I'm Nene Rogoy. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.